If Black Friday makes or breaks your bottom line, your small business is one mistake away from losing all your efforts since the year began. But your products or services won't be to blame. Most small business owners think they can wait until October to figure it out. Toss together a discount code, run a few ads, and call it a plan. But here's the brutal truth. 25% of annual retail sales happen in November and December. And if you're doing under 500K in annual sales, missing holiday prep isn't just expensive, it can be catastrophic. I'm Ellie. My team has built stores doing over 8 figures in sales, and I've learned that Black Friday success isn't just about doorbuster discounts or even what you actually sell. Today, I'll show you the 3 fatal mistakes that kill margins every holiday season. Mistake number 2 is the silent conversion assassin almost nobody talks about. And mistake number 3? It's the hidden margin killer that wipes out thousands in profit without you even noticing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a Black Friday marketing plan that protects your margins, grows sales, and keeps you out of the scramble zone. The first fatal mistake is waiting too long to start. Winners prep months in advance. They're testing ads in July and August, polishing offers in September, and scaling by late October. Strugglers? They start late in November, and they bleed cash. Here's what happens when you're late. Number 1. Ad costs surge. According to data from Sky.io, retail media CPC on Black Friday jumped 36% in 2023, and paid search CPC spiked 79%. Translation: that $2 click in September can surge nearly 80% higher by Black Friday week. For a small operation, that might be the difference between 250 clicks and barely 100. You literally cut your opportunity in half before you even start. Number 2. Creative fatigue sets in. No prep means you run one ad version. By day 2, your audience is numb. They've seen it, scrolled it, ignored it. Meanwhile, the stores that prepped have 10 to 15 creative variations ready, rotating them daily so customers see something fresh every time. Number 3. You gamble instead of test. Without testing, you're throwing cash at guesses. Maybe the image works, maybe it doesn't. Maybe the funnel holds, maybe it leaks. That's not a strategy, that's roulette with your margins. And here's what most small businesses forget. The platforms do not reward you for spending more. You reward yourself by testing earlier. When you start testing ads in advance, you're training the algorithm to know your audience before the competition floods in. Wait until November, you're invisible. Think of it like booking flights for the holidays. Buy in August, you get the window seat with a perfect sunset view at a reasonable price. Buy in November, you're paying double for the middle seat, squished between 2 armrest wrestling champions. Here's something you can do right now. Block 4 prep phases: creative development, funnel setup, testing, and scaling. Even if you feel behind, structure puts you ahead of most competitors. Start testing ads with just $20 a day this week. Find one creative that gets a strong click-through now. And map out the customer journey end to end, from ad click to landing page to checkout, so you're not duct taping funnels while orders are flying in. The thing is, though, even if you start early, you'll fail if your offers are weak. And that's mistake number 2. If you want to map out the prep you need to do for your business, for a limited time, you can access my BFCM success planning tool for free. This is not just another calendar PDF download. It's a diagnostic tool that tells you the exact 20+ tasks you need to complete, whether you have a product or a service business. The link to it is in the description below. And please hit the like while you're down there. It helps me know if I should make more videos like this and helps with the YouTube algorithm. Now let's get back to it. The second fatal mistake is weak offers that blend into noise. Here's the reality. When every store runs 20% off everything, your offer is just another notification buried in an inbox full of sales emails. Customers aren't even opening them, and if they do, they scan for the lowest price and bounce. Why? Because humans don't buy percentages, they buy outcomes. Here's what weak looks like. 20% off planners, 30% off candles. It's forgettable. But here's what strong looks like. Complete productivity kit. Reclaim your weekends for half the price of buying separate pieces. Build your holiday gift shelf for under $40, only 200 sets available. Same math, completely different psychology. One feels like another coupon. The other feels like an opportunity that will run out. Let me make this real. Imagine a customer sitting at their kitchen table on Black Friday morning. Their phone is buzzing with 20% off subject lines from 15 different brands. They're scrolling with one eye while sipping coffee. Nothing grabs them. Then they see a subject from you about the product they've been eyeing for weeks because they saw it in your ads or your newsletter or your social media. And it says there's only 20 of them left. They're excited. They open that email because now it's not just about price. It's about being the one who grabs it before it's gone. That shift is everything. And here's another angle almost nobody uses: personalization. Instead of blasting the same offer to everyone, segment your audience. New customers might get a low-barrier bundle. Returning customers might get a VIP-only deal. People who browse but never bought, target them with a one-product solution to the exact problem they searched. Proof? Klaviyo data shows segmented holiday campaigns can deliver up to 3 to 5 times the revenue per recipient compared to generic blasts. Bundles also outperform plain discounts. A bundle tells a story. Here's the complete set. Here's how it makes your life easier. A discount tells nothing. Here's something you can also do. Pick one offer right now and rewrite it into a story-driven outcome. Make it about solving the customer's problem, not slashing your margin. Add one real constraint, whether that's a stock limit, a bonus that expires, or a genuine deadline. And wherever possible, bundle. Because here's the truth. Even strong offers collapse if your systems can't handle the volume. And that's mistake number 3. The third fatal mistake: trying to run Black Friday manually. Picture this. It's 11:47 p.m., Sunday night of Cyber Weekend. Your phone is buzzing nonstop. Dings, alerts, DMs, refund requests, questions about shipping, abandoned carts piling up by the minute. You're posting on socials, answering emails, organizing inventory, all at once. That's chaos, and it kills businesses. Now picture systems. Abandoned cart emails automatically recover 10 to 15% of lost sales. Automated follow-ups turn one-time buyers into repeat customers without you lifting a finger. Chatbots handle the same 5 questions every shopper asks, instantly 24/7. Inventory alerts stop you from selling stock you don't have, avoiding refund nightmares. Here's the scary part. The average online cart abandonment rate is 70%. 7 out of 10 carts left behind. If you don't have automation, that's just lost revenue. With automation, you recover thousands in sales without chasing anyone down. I've seen it firsthand. One client recovered $11,000 in lost orders over a single BFCM weekend with just a simple 3-email abandoned cart flow. Same traffic, same offers. The only difference was automation. Here's how you put this into action. Set up a 3-part abandoned cart flow today. 1 hour after abandonment, remind them. 12 hours later, give them a nudge. 24 hours later, create urgency. Cart closes tonight. Then layer on a post-purchase flow that thanks them, cross-sells, and sets up the next purchase. Here's the kicker. All 3 mistakes compound if you delay. Every day you wait, ad costs climb higher, creative options shrink, offers blend into noise, and systems get rushed and error-prone. The math is simple. Delay equal disappearing profit. Now it's time for a quick self-check. Do you have a campaign calendar mapped? Do your offers stand out? Do you have at least one automation live? If not, this is your red alert. Drop a comment below. Which mistake are you guilty of right now? Late prep, weak offers, or no automation? I'll reply with one action step that fixes whichever mistake you choose. Here's the truth. Black Friday doesn't wait. The surge is coming whether you're ready or not. Every day you delay, your margins shrink. Every step you take now compounds toward growth. That's why other small business owners call my team when they're drowning in BFCM prep. We build automated systems that flip Black Friday from your most stressful season into your most profitable month. So here's your next move if you want my team to help you avoid these 3 fatal mistakes in your business. Click the second link in the description to book your emergency blueprint session. Space is limited, so act now. And if you want to see the exact 3-email sequence that converted 47% of fence sitters, with subject lines that got 62% open rates, watch this video next. That's where you'll tap into hidden sales,